Hello students, this is Shanatan sir, and today we will start a new exercise number 5.16. On previous classes we just learned division of a decimal number by a whole number, but in these classes we have to learn division of a decimal number or a whole number by a decimal number. Now just try to understand this method using some example. Just take a problem from exercise number 5.16 and page number 85. Just take a problem number 2 of A. Here is the given problem 0.576 divided by 0.8. It can be written as a 0.576 divided by 0.8. Now always try to remove point from denominator place. Now here is only one digit after point, so if we want to remove this point from here, then we have to multiply by 10. Now if we multiply by 10, then we have to also multiply 10 in numerator place. So a fraction remains unaltered when both its numerator and denominator are multiplied by the same number. Okay, now here is 10 and here is point. So just shift the decimal point right side one digit. So here is 5.76, and here if we shift the point to right side and one digit, then we will get 8. Now it's a decimal number and here is a whole number, and you learned it on the previous classes. How to divide it? Just write here 5.76 and here 8, and you know the division of decimal number by a whole number. Here is 8 and you have to check first digit and one digit. So here is 5 is less by 8, so we have to use here 0 and put this point this line. So you have to take 2 digits. So 8 sevens are 56. So write here 56. Now subtract and we will get 1. So put this value 6 here. 8 2s are 16. So our answer is 0.72. Now try to solve another question. Now try to solve another question. Question number 5. Here is the given question 0.0224 divided by 0.4. So what we have to do first? We have to do remove point from the denominator place. So here is one digit after point. So we have to multiply at first by 10. So if we multiply in denominator place by 10, then we have to also multiply by 10 in numerator place. So from here we will get in denominator 4, in numerator here is 10 and here is point. So we have to shift this point right side after one digit. So here is 0.224, and you know how to divide this decimal number by 4. So here is 0.224, we have to divide by 4. So here is 0, so put here 0. Now here is point, put here point. So just check next digits. Here is 2. 2 is less by 4, so you have to take 2 digits. So put here again is 0. Now 22. 4 5s are 20. Now subtract, we will get 2 here, and again it's less by 4, so you have to put another digit here 24. So our answer is 6 4s are 24. So this is our answer. So 0.056 is our answer. Is it clear to everyone? Now try to solve another question number 8. Here is the given question 2.456 divided by 0.8. So what we have to do first? We have to do first remove point from denominator place. So here is only one digit, so we have to multiply by 10 in denominator. So if we multiply by 10 in denominator, also you have to multiply by 10 in numerator. So it will be 8 in denominator, but we have to shift the point one digit to the right side. So here will be 24. If I shift the point from here to here, then it's 24.56. Now divide them. 24.56 divided by 8. Now here is single digit. If I take, then it's less by 8, so put here only 0. Now take double digit. 8 3s are 24. Now put this point in these places. Now take another digit 5 and it less by 8, so we have to put here extra 0. Now take double digit 56. 8 7s are 56. Understood everyone? So our answer will be 0.3.07. Okay, sorry, 03.07. Next, try to solve another question. Question number 11. Here is the given question is 20.484 by 18. So here is no point in denominator place, so we don't have to multiply any 10 or 100. So just direct divide here. So 20.484 divide by 18. So here is 2 digit. So at first take 2 digit here. So 18 ones are 18. Now subtract. Then we will get here 2. Now here 1 digit. So we have to put another digit here. So just remove point from here and put here. So write here 4. So 24, 18. So again it's 18 ones are 18. Now subtract. We will get 6. And this is a single digit, so we have to put another digit here, 8. So now 3 18s are 54. Again subtract, then we will get 14. Here is 4. Now just try to remind the table of 18. 18 8s are 144. So our answer will be 1.138. It's clear to everyone? Now try to solve another question. Question number 14. Here is the given question. 40 divided by 1.25. So what we have to do first? We have to do first remove point from denominator place. So here is point and here is 2 digit. So you have to multiply by 1 and 2 digit. So 20. We have to multiply by 100 in denominator. So we know the fraction remains unaltered when both its numerator and denominator are multiplied by the same number. So here also you have to multiply by 100. So it will be 4000 and here it will be 125. Now it's a simple division. Just try to divide here. 125 here and here is 400. So 3 ones are 3 and 325 75. Again subtract, we will get 25 and put here 0. Now it's 3 digit and here also 3 digit. So 32. 2 125s are 250. So our answer will be 32. It's clear to everyone? Now try to solve another question. Question number 17. Here is the given question 17. 300 by 2.5. So we have to remove point from denominator place. So here is 1 digit after point. So we have to multiply by 10 as well as 10 in numerator. So it will be 3000 here and here is 25. Again it's a simple division. 3000 by 25. Here is 2 digit. So take here also 2 digit. 30 so 25 ones are 25. 5 30, that's mean 5, and here is one digit, so here 2 we have to put again extra 0, 50, 25 2s are 50, so here is extra 0, so put here, so our answer will be 120. Now try to solve another question number 20. Question number 20 is 47.999 divided by 0.7. So at first remove point from denominator, so here is a one digit after point, so you have to multiply by 10 in denominator and also in numerator, so we will get 7 in denominator place, but here shift this point to one digit to the right, so here will be point now, so 47.999. Now try to divide, and 47.999 divide by 7, so here is one digit, just take here 1, and it's 4 less by 7, so you have to take 2 digit, 7 and 47, so 7 6 are 42. Now subtract, here is 5 is a single digit and it's less by 7, so we have to put another digit, 59, so 5 7 8s are 56. Now again subtract, here is 3, now we have to put another digit, but here is point, so put this point in this line. Now take 9 here, 7 5s are 35, again minus, and it's 4, now put another digit here, 9, so 7 7s are 49, so our answer will be 68.57. This is an answer. Now it's clear to everyone. Now you have to solve all the problem of exercise number 5.16 only A. So your homework is 5.16 only A, not B. Okay? If have you any problem, then call or WhatsApp me for freely. Okay? So bye. Thank you.